emulsion tube with its little collar to the front facing downwards. Next one's going in, and then old and worn emulsion tubes that are fluted go in a box. Now it might cause a little bit of confusion to see 3 of these, and that's because these 2 are old, and that's one that I fitted. So I'd taken an old one out during the last rebuild, and then I fitted a new one, and I just thought, do you know what, fit another new one, because do it right. So air fuel mixture, so there we go. 1/2, 1, 1/2, 2, 1/2, 3. Vertical cylinder is 3 1/4. Needs to be a little bit richer because the vertical cylinder runs a little bit hotter because it's not out the front. So you need to just wash the bores a little bit more with fuel, which is why it gets a little bit more. So 1/2, 1, 1/2, 2, 1/2, 3, and then 1/4. Beautiful. The needles that came in the Ducati kit, or the needles that came with the bike, I'll just show them to you. Very different. What do you want? One that came in the kit, or the one that came on the bike? Yeah, baby. Now I've just got to find another one. So I have it. So I've given thought to the whole needle situation, and I'm going to install none of the above. These much thicker needles. There we go. Very different. I guess what's been running through my head is these are the old emulsion tubes, right? What's been running through my head is nice gap, eh? Let's try this. Oh, sorry. I should film all of the action. Yeah, I'm liking that more than these. No offense, but it's like being with a bird who's had like 5 kids. Yeah. She needs a bit more girth. All right, let's put this together. not sure why it is like that. The diagram says 6 is a Rosetta jet needle, 5 is a stop ring, 4 is a conical needle, and 3 is the O-ring upper. So I'm not sure what this is for then. Right there. Because the spring goes over it, right? It goes that way, sorry. Isn't that a funny setup? Is that how it's supposed to be? There's that one, there's that one. So what's this one doing there? Not entirely sure what its purpose in life is. There you go. You don't belong, it seems, mate. I'm sorry about that. But you don't belong. I want to have a look at it. Hello, other one. So it seems that this little baby here ain't needed. Fair enough. You're needed. You're needed. Let's pop off this C-clip. Well, this one's going to fight me. Yeah, you try doing it with gloves. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to get it in the right hole. Yes. We need them to meet beautifully. And we need that needle not to hit the edge, we need that needle right in the emulsion shape. There we go. Lovely. Yay. Okay, got our O-ring in there. Lovely. Always have to check me. I just have to check. rebuilt. Just take a moment to admire the sacrifice that's gone into rebuilding these carbs. I think you're supposed to have some slow tracking shots. Through the ring light. Anyways, I need to set the float heights, which I'll do in a moment, and I think I'll move on to petrol filter. Only because I'm absolutely desperate to fit these carbs. So float height, faffery, fuel filter, drink tip. Orientation they would be if they were in the motorcycle. Let's give them some juice. Have a lovely drink, guys. There we go. So that level's going to just slowly start dropping. There it goes. As the carbs start to fill up, and then we check for leaks. Still filling. If you see any, you let me know, right? Still filling. Right. Well, I'll just leave them for a bit and make sure everything's okay. The next test I'll do is I'm going to connect this to a syringe and force petrol into them. And really what I'm doing here is I'm checking the seals either side. Happy days. Float heights are spot on. What I'm doing is just setting this all back up. And I've made a mess, that's good. Leave them overnight. On to other things.